Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're going to have a look at a 2017 Soul EX trim level. Of course, red in color, has machined wheels. That big green sticker you see on the upper right hand side says the car is qualified for the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program. Something you may want to look into, the advantages and benefits that program offers to a purchaser. Of course, we have fog lights out in the front. We have nice big headlights. And look at that stance. That's a really beautiful looking car coming down the road. And there's the driver's side. Let's take a look inside. That's where all the goodies are. Note on the door here it says that Sirius XM is on. We include a 3-month trial of Sirius XM with the car, so you get to enjoy all those channels and try them out, see if you enjoy it or not. Hopefully you will. Inside we have a heated steering wheel. That's a leather wrapped steering wheel. And we have some mood lighting. It says music and mood if you can read those. And you can set that up for music or mood, and I'll demonstrate that to you in a minute. The steering wheel has audio and cruise controls. The car only has 25,537 kilometers. That may vary due to test drives. AM/FM CD radio with Sirius XM showing. Climate control, heated cloth seats in the front, and down below you have an auxiliary and USB port to input your own device into the radio, and we have push button start. I'm going to step inside the car and close the door, and the mood lighting will come on and we'll demonstrate that for you. You'll notice it came on green, now it's switched over to blue, kind of gone purple, turning to a pink, and gone to a red. Now you can set that up to pulse to the music, or you can just have it cycle as I have it cycling today. The rear of this Soul, plenty of room for your passengers to be comfortable no matter where you're going. Another feature of this Soul is that it has roof rails. So you could attach one of those Thule boxes, or you could attach some kind of device to hold your skis or your bike, depending where you're going. Souls are made for people who love the outdoors. Also has a backup camera. Plenty of room back here for gear, for people, for anything you have to carry at the time. And if you fold those seats down, it gets even bigger. So this beautiful red 2017 Kia Soul EX trim level is located at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere. Come on down, test drive this Soul. Remember, to make it an informed decision, it's better off to drive the car and try it out, then you know.